Hey guys, today let's see how to branch and create multiple flows in a single demo. I've used Guidejar's browser extension and created a demo to show how to add new rows and columns in Google Sheets. Right now, this is a linear flow, showcasing both lessons one after the other. Now, let's do something different and give our audience the option to choose the lesson they want. First, let's add a chapter. We'll give it a title and a description. Now let's create a button named Insert a Row and link it to the first step of the corresponding lesson. In this case, it's step 2. Now let's create another button named Insert a Column and link it to the step where column insertion lesson starts. In this case, it's step 5. Finally, let's create a chapter at the end and configure a Start Over button and link it to our first slide. And that's it. Let's check out our revamped demo and see how it turned out. Let's start with how to insert a row. And boom, we skipped the part on how to insert a column and went straight to the last slide. Now let's go back and click on Insert a Column this time. There you go. Hope you liked the video. Do give us a like and subscribe to see more tutorials from us.